swear to you, I have tried to shoot this opening like 5 times. There's some giant yee ass truck driving down my street, or the phone's going off, or something's making some noise, slamming somewhere. First world problems, I know. Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm back at it again with a follow-up to the Dr. Squirrel Grooming Company products. Today I'm going to be talking about the Dr. Squirrel Grooming Company conditioning oil. Now, when you hear conditioning oil, you might be thinking to yourself, what is that, just for the hair? This says it's for the hair, beard, and skin. So think of something similar to Saw Blade by Sheer Revival. It's not just something that's like done as a beard oil or to just for the hair. It's also good for everything around, with ingredients like grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, black spruce oil, grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, essential oils, and stuff like that. It is good for pretty much anything. So when you're looking at the product just as itself, it doesn't have a character on it unless this poor little pine cone here is a character in the Dr. Squirrel universe and it's being tortured and exploded, which I don't think it is. But anyways, off topic, this just shows like one of their hand-drawn pieces of art right here of the pine cone kind of exploding. At least it looks like a pine cone to me, implying that it is fresh squeezed. When you pop it open, it does come with this dropper. Some of the products don't come with droppers, and I don't like them. I've got to be honest with you. Like, the droppers for me are a big deal. Normally, if they don't come with a dropper, I'll put one in. When looking at this stuff, you don't need a lot of it. I'm just gonna show you that it's kind of on, I wouldn't say greasier side, but you definitely don't need that much if you were gonna be putting it on your hands. You only need like one very small drop. I am gonna be applying this to my beard and my hair. And you'll notice when you put this product in that it adds some shine. Not a lot. I don't really feel like this adds overshine. The product I was using was kind of on the matte side. The scent on it, when you are smelling it from the jar, it smells like kind of like a really, really strong pine. But when you get it into your beard and your hair and you put it on your skin, which I'll say, like, just putting it through my hair, you can tell I put a lot in my hands. It's still shiny, but it goes away pretty easily. So if you were to put a small drop on there to hydrate your hands, which I'll do to put on the back of my skin so you can see, there you go. It hydrates really well, and it feels like it dissipates really easy too in the skin. Like, it feels like it just kind of soaks in. Beard wise, it'll stay there, kind of provide a minor hold, if you will, and then just kind of soak into the beard. It's not very greasy, although when you put it in your hands, it feels greasy. It's not very greasy overall. Sorry guys, I know I'm all over the place. The smell in the bottle, like I was saying, is kind of like a spruce or like a pine smell, but when you break it down into your hands and smell it, it has more of a very, very light pine smell, but it turns more into like a bergamot, which I like a lot. I like that. So there's one thing about products like this, is that you can't be, like, I guess, overcritical when it's in the jar, because this is like all of the smell and stuff in there. So, you know, you got to take it out, you got to give it a couple of whiffs, put it in your hand, break it down, let it touch the skin, all that stuff. So anyways, it's short and sweet. I think it adds a little bit of shine to the hair. I think it makes it feel healthy. You could use this as kind of like a tonic almost to get very, very light hold, because it feels like it has light hold. On the skin, as you can tell, I put it on the back of my hands. I broke it down. It's already kind of like fading away, and I haven't wiped my hands. So it's one of those ones that it absorbs really easy. So it'll do that in the hair and the beard as well. So it's not gonna stay greasy on the hands overall. The scent's nice. It's very light, especially after you break it down. You know, by break it down, I mean rub it together in your hands, put it in your hair, put it wherever. So put it wherever within reason. But overall, I really like this. So my overall rating of this, if I'd have to give it a rating, I would give this I think I'd give this a 4.5. I think it's like right in the middle. I think it's really good. I think this is, I think I would say it's an excellent product. Yes, I think it would deserve the 4.5 rating. It just works really well. And if you're looking for something that you wanted on like the drier side, because I know some people really like the greasier stuff. But if you're not a fan of the greasier products, if you're a fan of something that like you can put in your hands or you can put in your hair and it just kind of goes away and it's not super strong, this is the product for you. It's more on the lighter, less greasier side, more subtle. So good to add to, you know, hair products that you already have in your hair. Good to add to stuff that you have in your beard because it's not going to overpower it and it's not going to be overly aggressive. Sorry for, I'm all over the place. I'm getting ready to go to work. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day, or whenever you're watching this. If you have any questions about the conditioning oil, leave them in the comments below, and have a good one.